Do you know why that network marketer is forcing and begging you to join their business?
What's going on here?
Chinedu and Amaka, come closer. Let me tell you the real truth. The begging, the disturbance, is simply because the business will favor them more than you. There's nobody that will be begging and forcing you to succeed. Now what for you? All that attention and several greetings that network marketer is greeting you every 1 hour, it is not love, and it is not respect. It is simply because that business will benefit the network marketer more than it will benefit you. Forget all the talk of, I want you to succeed, I want you to prosper in life. Is it everybody in your family that has prospered? Or do you know me from anywhere?
It can take your money eventually.
Really?
Yeah, for vanishing. You don't know why it's going on.
The network marketers that are begging you to join their business, they are the ones that promote 100% referral businesses. Businesses that do not have any product or any service. You know them now. All those bring one, bring two, balance leg business. No referral, no income. If you don't join, they will not eat. That's why they are begging you. When you join them, for you to also make money, you must also become a beggar like them.
Not be juju be that.
Referral is optional. Referral is optional, but you want to cry simply because I tell you I am not interested.
God have mercy upon us.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Even if you cannot refer, join, you will get spillover. Now lie you, don't fall for it. In a real business where referral is truly optional, like real legit crypto and forex trading, if I advertise and you refuse to join, I can simply set my trades using our numerous strategies and signals and make money the moment I hit take profit, with or without your referral. If you join me, we make money together. If you don't join me, I will still make money. So there is no need for me to cry if you say no. So for us that are promoting projects where referral is truly optional, we only present the business to you and we leave you to decide. We will not be messaging you every day, greeting you and disturbing you, because we are busy trading and making money. If you join us, now you sabi. If you don't join us, now you still sabi. Or you see all those network marketers promoting referral based businesses, they are seeing you as a ladder. They want to use you to climb to the top of the pyramid or the compensation plan. That network marketer has many people he or she can refer. They have network marketing WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups. Now you ask yourself, can you refer? If you can't refer, do not join a business where if you don't refer, you will not make money. Spillover is a scam. Do not fall for it. They just want you to join. After you join, they will now tell you to balance your leg. Bring 2 people. If you manage to bring 2 people, they will tell you to tell those 2 people to bring two people. 2 will not finish in your matter. They will be telling you to bring 2 when your name is not Adetutu. They will be telling you to balance your leg as if you are a cripple. Don't be deceived by all those screenshots. All those screenshots that guy is showing you, they are all referral commissions. Ask them, apart from referral, how can I make money? Spillover is a scam. Do not fall for spillover. If you join a referral-based business with the expectation that you will make money from spillover, you will wait till you become as old as Methuselah. $1 you will not earn. No. Anytime you hear 2x2, 1x1 matrix,
Run.
anytime you hear you don't have to buy anything, you don't have to sell anything, it is a smart contract. You will automatically get spillover.
Run, oh.
Anytime you hear you don't have to learn, you don't have to lift a finger, just put your money and you will be getting money daily.
Run, oh.
Let the Ponzi breathe. Don't suffocate them. We have that responsibility.
God have mercy upon us.